So today we have this Android Type-C lint remover. It has 6 blades, it has a dense structure. The device itself has a little screen on it to show the speed. So let's go ahead and try it out. In the box you get 2 extra blade runners. You get a little brush to clean them off, a charger cord, and the device itself, where as soon as you press this button right here, it turns on and you can change the speeds. Here we have this, for example, this stuffed animal here has a lot of specks of lint on it, and you just get the device and you press it against it. As you can see, there's little to no lint left. You open up the device and there's a lot of little specks in there from that one stuffed animal and that one little section. So, and again, the blades in here are replaceable. Came with 2 extra ones. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.